how to fix Microsoft Teams not working on any Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix it easy and quick. First go to storage and then clean some space. You can clean junk files if you want and click on it, and or you can delete some photos and videos, and if that is not your problem and you have enough space, go to settings and then apps and apps again and click Teams, and now go to storage, clear cache and then force stop it, and now go back, try again, and if that also doesn't fix your problem, go to storage, clear data, click OK. You will lose your data, but you will need to log in again and your problem must be fixed. And if that also doesn't fix it, now just allow those here, draw over other apps and write system settings, and that's it. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.